Hello, guys! It's my very last Jacob design. If you didn't know what Jacob is, basically, like Mark, like the Mark 5 camera or something. Well, I thought of a cool reference to that, which is the Jacob, because it's Jacob. Yeah, sorry the screen was a little bit out of focus for that one. Yeah, anyway, let's do it. Very last design, big moment. So, let's do it. This is the second part to my Let's Build a Train Together. Anyway, first start with your observer. Always facing inwards towards the piston and the direction that you want the train going to. Add a piston. Three slime blocks. Right, yeah. 3 slime blocks. Then build this. These slime blocks back. Then place a slime block here. Break this slime block. Place observer and sneaky piston. Fill these 2 with iron. Place an observer. Make sure it runs. No, not run. Make sure it runs from this side. Don't do that. That's okay. No. Okay. Well, just do that. Redo that one time. Before you make the stupid freaking mistake that I just did, you want to make sure to first block this up with obsidian, then do that, then place the iron block back here, then break this obsidian, place the trapdoor. No, do not place the trapdoor, dude. Do not. Now place 3 slime blocks on top. And now place the trapdoor. I did not place the trapdoor. I'm not following my own directions. Okay. Now I can stop this. We don't want it going endlessly. Now build out like this. Wait, just chill. I just made this, man. Then build out again like this. I already thought of something that could make my design 10 times better. Okay, whatever. Whatever. You for your survival, you don't have to do this. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. And then you just wanna go forward like this. Like that. That. Then do this. This. That. Around like this. Throw that in. This is 9. So I can add 1 more. Then like that. Do it again. 1 more. Yep. Now do exactly from literally all of my tutorials before. Yeah, just gotta copy that exact same thing a lot of times. Now this is still not fully finished to the regular cart, but I mean it looks like a regular car. So I'm just gonna build 2 more of these. you should have this memorized because you watched my old videos before. If you have not, then just follow along. Okay, this is a little too fast for you guys, I know. Let me just slow it down. Half donut. That's how I remember the bottom part. Half donut. Add the machine which whips the donut inside. Make a Tetris piece. Make another Tetris piece. Make another half a donut and make another machine which is filling that donut. Put red dots all over the empty spots. Put sticky pistons around it all. And complete the wall. That's how I already have it memorized. I don't have to follow that, but that's how other people can memorize it as objects that you probably see and know what it is. Wall. And let's just do one more. Half donut, whipped cream machine, Tetris piece, half donut, more whipped cream, red dots in all the empty spots, sticky pistons around it all, fill in the wall. For the caboose, it's a half donut, a half-eaten donut that's surrounded by an even bigger donut. And now I make a half donut and make that donut into a Danish that's dripping onto the floor. And boom, there we go. You got it all. Now it should run. Oh, just check it out. Pass the running test. Okay, great. But there is one final step. That is a pretty important step. I can finally delete all these blocks in my freaking inventory because I do not need them. Do not ask about this cancer. But real quick, that was an accident. Okay. Anyway, grab rails in a minecart. Then place these rails all around here. Then place minecarts on these rails. This is an optional step, by the way. This is just to make it look better. Push the minecarts off the rails. Wait a second, I didn't mean to break those. And when you get to this one, just crouch down here. Make sure your little black hitbox is around it, the rail. Or you could just push it off like that. I don't really care. But when you're coming back, break all the rails. And yeah, this will work. It's like it's working like a real seat. So I just gotta do something. And RP Technoblade. I just gotta do this real quick. Bro, I'm not trying to make fun of Technoblade, okay? So do not flood my comment sections with "you suck." Technoblade was the goat of all goats. Bro, I'm not trying to make fun of him. Yeah, bro. Technoblade was smashed with cancer. It's sad, bro. I feel bad. Anyway, yeah, this is my very last Jacob video. Hope you enjoy it. It works smoothly and perfectly. The seats are very luxury. Even having seats to be very luxury, like I just said. And you can fall through the floor to get off at your station. Trust me with your Minecraft train tutorials. And tell me any new ideas, because I've already run out of ideas, and any new ideas are not going to be a Jacob design. Let me explain what a Jacob design is. I already explained it, but one more time. It's basically the design name of my trains, like how cameras have Mark 1, Mark 5. This right here is the Jacob 50, and that's my very last Jacob design. Now I'll just be doing custom trains that are commented by you. Hope you enjoyed this video, my very last own train video. Whatever, it's not very last. If you don't comment, that's fine. I don't really care. If you just get views on it, I'll be happy. And you're a viewer by watching this right now. So yeah. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.